back to my channel, and today I am starting in an entirely different location. I have come to Anna's house, and she, hello, is making me a cup of tea and lunch as well because she's so good to me. And the other day I was watching Raw Beauty Christie and Samantha Ravendell do like a get ready with me like makeup video, and I was like, I want to do a makeup video. And so then I was like, makeup's not really a thing on my channel anymore. Thank you. Oh my god, this cups look so cool.
They're from made in Japan and South America.
Oh yeah, I love that store. They've got beautiful like kind of pottery and like plates and cups and all kinds of kitchenware there. But yeah, I was like, I want to film a makeup video, but makeup's not really a thing on my channel anymore. So then I asked my friends if I could film on their channels, and that is what I have done. So Anna's channel will be listed in the description, but you have a pretty big schedule, don't you?
What do you mean?
Like pre-filmed videos, or like when would this one go
well,
up?
this is going up tomorrow.
Oh, cool, mine too.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So both these videos are going to go up tomorrow, so I'll leave Anna's listed in the description.
I had like a get ready with me slot just blank. Because I wasn't sure what I was going to film, and then you were like, I want to film, and I was like, perfect. I can fill that spot.
This is perfect timing. Okay, so both our videos will be going up, like Anna's video will be up right now, where you can go and watch it. So I'll have it listed in the description. But we're gonna have some tea, have some lunch, film our makeup, and then this afternoon I'm off to go to the football and do some other Sunday things. And it is absolutely miserable today. It is so rainy, but I wanted to take you on like another what I do on Sundays video.
We're talking about pressure to fit in on social media.
Yeah, and so it's really hard when like you look at what does well, you look at the kind of people that are doing really, really well, and it gets really hard because you just are like, well, I don't look like that, or I don't do that to my body, or I don't edit my photos that way. Almost finished our makeup. What are you doing? Eyelashes?
Yeah.
Eyelashes. We've been chatting away. I asked a few questions on my Instagram, and we've talked about some interesting topics like procrastination and like being lazy and how to beat those kinds of things.
And also like tips for starting a channel.
Yeah, tips for starting a YouTube channel, like the pressure to fit in on social media. What else did we talk about? I don't know. There was like a few different questions. Which was great, so that we could like just, I don't know, have something to chat about, which is all going to be over on Anna's channel. We both kind of shared like how we stopped procrastinating, which I really liked, and Anna has a totally different method of procrastination to what I do, so I think you guys will really enjoy that part of the video, so you should definitely check that out.
Your way is a lot more like how my mum does it.
Yeah. Because
I think your procrastination probably stems more from your anxiety.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so it's kind of like a just do it and then I won't feel so anxious about it.
Yeah. So
whereas
I like
mine is a little bit more, I think, tied to my depression in a way.
A bit more emotional.
Yeah, quite emotional related.
Yeah.
So kind of funny how it's different.
Yeah, exactly. Like I just
But
like
we both procrastinate.
We both procrastinate. I think everybody procrastinates. So yeah, which is good. And we're almost done. And yeah, it's been great. I've enjoyed today. This is a nice way to spend a Sunday.
Fun.
It's been really enjoyable. Made it quite a mess though.
Look at that. That's because I got stuff on my beauty,
on
my brush. So I use my beauty blender as like a cleaner.
Oh yeah, I love this
I wash
palette.
it each time. It's so cool, eh?
I love it. I love it. And
you can still make a pretty wearable look with it if you tie in neutral colors or something from another palette.
Yeah. I'm just like showing them your little desk setup because this is amazing. There's a drawer in here too. Look at this organization.
Mecca boxes. If you order lots from Mecca, that's what I use, and it fits everything.
That's
so
like
nice.
perfect. All the different makeup organization.
Like blush palettes and like other random palettes, powders, bronzers, contours, blushes, highlights, and then these are like
I love like these little ones. These are great.
And then in here is my like weekly makeup basket.
Oh yeah.
So I just put things I'm trying to concentrate on for the week.
Which is what I do in this one, but I kind of want to get like an actual thing like that because
Yeah,
it's cute.
it's just $10 from Kmart.
But this is, yeah, my makeup, my weekly makeup goes into this thing, which is so cute. I'm just getting Anna to show you guys the other bullet journal. This is the white one. It's so beautiful.
White, like a cream and gold.
Yeah, so I bought the black one the other day, but this is the cream one, and I just thought maybe some of you would be interested in seeing it because it's really beautiful. And I love it. And also, how cute is Anna's like desk setup? It's like one of those like IKEA desks, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the IKEA PS 2014 something or other.
It's so cute. And then you can put plants or put whatever you want up the top of it.
These are just the little IKEA plants.
And it just looks so fresh and cool. And
these are from Muji.
yeah. And so Anna's doing a PhD, so she's studying, and this is kind of like her study setup, which, yeah, I feel like you would be super helpful on my channel for all the studying out there. I'll get you to come teach everyone how to study, because I've had a lot of requests to do that.
Can I learn?
You can learn
how to study.
How to study. But yeah.
I can talk uni general stuff.
Which might be really helpful. Yeah, that would be really cool.
Quite a special thing, postgraduate life.
That's a lot of intense work, but
it's intense work and intense loneliness.
Yes. We finished filming our makeup, which will be on Anna's channel. And yeah, you did really cool, intense.
Thanks.
Like
I did some color.
But I'm going to the football, so I was like, I probably should make it a little bit more natural. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go bear like the freezing cold weather. And
I get to stay inside, drink more tea.
I'm so jealous. I'm like, why am I going to the football today? I don't know. I've got to go over to Dan's house and go to the football, and I don't know. Whatever else the rest of the afternoon takes me wherever it goes. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for having me over. I was just going to quickly show you guys that these cute little above toilet storage shelves that Anna has created. They're just the Kmart hanging shelves.
$4.
And then she spray painted the 3M hooks in like a gold color, which looks amazing.
It's kind of an antique gold. It's really cool.
And then what are these? What's this brand again? This is the
Murchison Hume, I think. They do a lot of like toiletries and cleaning products and stuff.
Yeah, and they're so beautiful looking.
Yeah.
And then just like,
and
that's right.
Sanitary box.
Yeah, you said last time that you would have a little sanitary box so that if anyone comes over and it's like, oh, I need something,
they can
or
just... they didn't even want to ask. Like if someone's self-conscious and just like gets their period, they're obviously right there.
I love it.
Such a nice host.
You're such a great host. That's amazing though. I really like this storage.
And if someone needs to take a poop and is too embarrassed about the poop smell.
The poopery. That's amazing. I think that's like such a great little like storage idea. Yeah. I'm sure you guys will love this. If you need some over toilet storage, there you go.
Apartment tour, actually.
Alright, that's gonna be listed in the description. Anna's apartment tour will be listed in the description because like this is so cool. So the game just finished. Dan is just going to the bathroom. I've ordered an Uber because I am freezing and I just want to go home. But it was an awesome game, and yeah, I really want to go home because I'm really cold. And we won, and that's like the best part. We've made it home. Step 1, we have to drink a full bottle of water each because we need to stay hydrated. Step 2, we're making some dinner. Step 3, we're making another lemon, ginger and honey tea, and then putting the heater on and staying warm because it's freezing out there. And I was so unhappy by the time I left the football. My foot was pretty much frozen, so I don't know if you know or like mentioned it before, but I have Raynaud's, which means I have really terrible circulation in both my hands and my feet. And when my feet get hit with like pain and like losing the blood, that's when I'm really, really, really cold. It doesn't happen very often. and I just needed to get home this afternoon, and so now I'm kind of all cozied up, and we're gonna go and make some dinner and some tea. I'm actually starting to get hungry now, so this is good, but I'm gonna finish this first and stay hydrated. Oops, I broke it. He just did not last very well. I don't know how to cheese. Man, I broke it. I've never had this happen before. Normally they just come out in one piece. But he broke. I got him. He's a little snack for me. We picked up one of these Jamie things. It's ginger, lime, and coriander, and smashing chicken fillets. And they look so good. There's a giant chunk of chili down there. It's gonna be so good. So we're having a bit of a mix of food. We have the Jamie's chicken, some other chicken, sweet potato, broccoli, peas, and then this mush, like vegetable mush that has onion, lentils, halloumi, and some tomatoes in it. So I don't know, we just kind of got a bunch of things to put together for dinner, and this is what happened. Dan's just finishing up the tea and he's gonna bring it to me, and I'm in my room. Not my room, Dan's room. This isn't my room. He just gave me the funniest look when I said my room. It was just a slip of the tongue, I'm sorry. It's my room. No, Dan's room. I'm in Dan's room. I'm just like on my computer. I'm gonna edit some photos from yesterday. We're on my camera, I've got the heater on, and we just finished watching Love Island. That show is honestly ridiculous. And now we're watching Step Brothers or whatever movie's on now. But I just really want to drink my tea and take my makeup off and just get cozy and spend the rest of the night just being really chilled out. It's like my favorite part about Sundays is just relaxing. Time for me to take my makeup off and go to bed. Don't throw your dirty socks at me. That's so gross. Ew. I'm gonna throw my dirty socks at you. Hang on. Take them off. Oh, I didn't even make it. Alright, well, I'm gonna end my vlog here because I'm gonna go and take my makeup off and have a shower and go to bed because I'm really tired and I just wanna hop into bed. So I hope you guys have enjoyed another what I do on Sundays video. Because I really enjoy Sundays. Sundays are my favorite day of the week, and I just enjoy relaxing and doing things that make me feel good so I can start the week in a good mood. So, hope you've enjoyed. Up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.